Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and I have something fabulous to share today. Cricut is doing their BOGO sale. Now, they don't do this very often. It is a buy one, get one 50% off sale. It includes cutting materials and accessories, and then there's also Cricut cutting machines and Cricut Easy Press on sale. Let me show you what all is included in the sale. I've already got a shopping cart full, and you know I'm wearing my shirt in honor of being the crafty enabler and letting you know when there's some great deals out there. So let's see what is included.
Okay, the buy one, get one 50% off sale includes cutting materials and accessories. So let's take a look at those, what's included. So cutting materials, that means all the vinyls and all the iron-on. So we're talking basic vinyl, outdoor vinyl, the Sport Flex, the pattern vinyl iron-on, the foil iron-on, the holographic sparkle iron-on, which is one of my favorites, glitter iron-on, you name it, the vinyl and the iron-on is part of this buy one, get one 50% off. Also, paper is also included. So we're talking cardstock and corrugated cardboard and foil embossed paper and craft board and license paper and the scrapbook paper. Those are double-sided. They are perfect if you're looking for some double-sided beautiful papers. Now's the time to grab those. The pearl paper, poster board, the sparkle and shimmer papers, which are my all-time favorites. I'll move your paper crafting up to the next level with all the patterns and textures that you get in color. And there is the other category under cutting materials, and that includes your craft foam, your foam leather, felt. The Cricut felt cuts beautifully. Foil acetate, the genuine leather, party foil, printable materials, tape, the glitter tape, the washi sheets, and the window cling. You probably didn't even know Cricut sold all of those different things. All of those are part of the buy one, get one 50% off sale. The other thing part of the sale is the essential category under accessories. So we're talking about your mats. Now's the perfect time to stock up. When you're going to have more time for some summer crafting, you're going to need a few more mats. The blades are on sale. All the craft tools are on sale. The accessory pouches and the pins are part of this buy one, get one 50% off. There's some new pin styles out there that you need to go check out. This is what's part of the buy one, get one 50% off. And if you use my promo code SMQD, you get 10% off on top of this buy one, get one 50% off, and you get free shipping. Okay, now we're going to move on to what are the machines that are on sale. Unfortunately, the machines are not buy one, get one 50% off, but they're at great prices. So the Cricut Easy Press is on sale, and there's some great Easy Press bundles. So if you don't have an Easy Press yet and you've been wanting one, now might be a good time to grab one with one of the material bundles. So you have everything you need to get started. The other machines that are on sale are all the Cricut Explore family of machines. So the Cricut Explore 1 you can get for $149.99. The Cricut Explore Air you can get for $179.99. And Cricut Explore Air 2, that is at $249.99. Now, all three of these Explore families have machine bundles with materials that are also on sale and a good deal. So you'll want to check those out. If you want to buy one of the machines, use promo code MAYSHIP and you'll get free shipping on the machines. Unfortunately, my SMQD code doesn't work for that, so you don't get the extra 10% off. But hey, it's already on sale, so you're already ahead of the game. Thanks so much for using my link to make your purchases. I've got that listed in the description of the video and also the promo code, so you'll know what to go use. Come join us over in the Let's Learn Cricut Explore Facebook group or in my Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill group. Talk to you guys later. And I need to go hit that buy button for myself.